In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master the pen tool in Photoshop, a powerful feature that every designer should be familiar with. Whether you're an artist, a graphic designer, or a photographer, the pen tool is invaluable for precise selections and creating complex shapes or paths. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be more confident in using it for your own creative projects. First, let's dive in and select the tool you'll be working with. On your keyboard, press the letter P to activate the pen tool. You'll notice its icon appearing in your toolbar. In recent versions of Photoshop, this tool comes with several variations. By clicking and holding on the pen tool icon, you'll see options like the standard pen tool, the curvature pen tool, and the freeform pen tool. Each has its own unique functionality, so choose based on your current project needs. Once you have your pen tool selected, take a look at the options bar located at the top of your screen. This is where you decide how you want to create with this tool. If you're planning to create a work path that you can convert later, select Path Mode. But if you're aiming to create a filled shape layer, switch to Shape Mode. Depending on your specific project, you might also find the Pixels mode useful. Now, let's get into the basics of using the pen tool, starting with drawing straight line paths. With the pen tool selected and set to Path Mode, click once on your canvas to set your first anchor point. Then, move to the next location on your image where you want the segment to end and click again. Congratulations, you've just created a straight line between these 2 points. Continue to click around your object, adding anchor points to outline the shape or path you're working on. You'll soon need to decide how to complete your path. If you want to close the path to make a complete shape, click back on the very first anchor point you set. You'll know you're in the right spot when a small circle appears next to the pen tool cursor. If you're instead aiming for an open path, simply Control-click or Command-click anywhere off the path. For curved line paths, things are slightly different. Begin by choosing your first anchor point. This time, click and drag to create direction handles, which dictate your curve's trajectory. Move to where you want your curve to end, and click and drag again. Remember, the direction you drag influences the curve's bend and flow. For smooth, seamless curves, aim to use fewer anchor points with longer handles, as this will produce more fluid lines than numerous short ones. If you need to transition from a smooth curve to a sharp angle, the Convert Point tool is your friend. Alternatively, hold down the Alt or Option key while dragging your handles, which will unlink the direction handles and help you create those crisp, sharp corners. I hope this gives you a clearer understanding of how to harness the power of the pen tool in Photoshop. With practice, you'll soon find it an essential part of your creative toolkit.